All right, so this is super, super easy. However, it's one of the biggest things I think that get folks confused when they're taking their test, and the FAA, they try to stick it to you and really trick you up. It has to do with the weight requirements for registering a drone, for having the drone license. And it talks about the Part 107 operations of a drone less than 55 pounds. I promise you, there will be a question on the test that says a drone weighing 55 pounds has to, and then it will relate to some regulation in the Part 107. And I want you to remember that it's less than 55 pounds. So if it's 55 pounds or greater, then all of those regulations are outside of Part 107. And that's not what we're talking about. That's not the test we're taking. We're taking Part 107, commercial drone license, for drones under 55 pounds. I keep saying it over and over again because they're going to try to get you on the test. It's less than 55 pounds. That's Part 107. So let's just try to remember that. Less than 55 pounds for Part 107. All right.